What is up, you guys? So the goal today is to create a crown for a photo shoot that I'm going to be doing. So I found these cute little baskets at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut the bottom of them with these wire cutters that I have here. I also found these cute little bees from Dollar Tree, so they were $1. And I also got these bees from Hobby Lobby. They're a little bit more expensive, but they were half off. So yay! I also got those from Hobby Lobby. And okay, more beads. Yep, Dollar Tree. And the tacky glue, but I did not use the tacky glue because it didn't dry or stick as well as I thought it was. So I ended up using the glue gun. And this is from Walmart. I'm gonna use to put the bees on. Okay, here I'm showing you guys how I achieved the design on the bottom of the crown. So I placed a bead on first, and then I take the wire, I wrap it around pretty snug. You don't have to use glue or anything because the wire is actually sturdy, so it'll stay in place. So wrap the wire around. I put a pearl on because the hole in the pearl is too small, so it doesn't fit on the base of the crown like I wanted to. So I had to use the wire for that to add the pearl. Then I wrap it around once more, kind of snug, and then I add another bead. And another pearl after wrapping it around. Wrap around and another bead. Wrap around, pearl. After I put the two last pearls on, I do one more snug wrap around at the bottom so it doesn't go anywhere. Everything stays in place. And here, this is how it turned out at the bottom. And oh, here, I'm adding the little rhinestones to only this bar because this is going to be the front of it. I started with the tacky glue, but it didn't work like I said before. So I use the glue gun. So, yeah. Okay, so here you're going to see me cut the bar from the top of the rim of it so I can slide the stones on like I want. I'm not going to cut every bar because I want to keep that the perimeter, I guess the top of it connected. I don't know how to say that, but yeah. But you're going to see me do every other bar. After doing every other bar, this is how it turned out. Very cute. Okay, so this next part, I decided to add a miniature rainbow of pearls. So I'm going to do this all around the top. And in this part clip or whatever, you're gonna see me take the wire and of course wrap the end around. Then I am going to add about 15 pearls. I went smaller on the sides and the back. The two front ones are the bigger pearls because it's the front, and then I went smaller on all the other miniature rainbows. And this is the final look, and I think it turned out really, really good. I think it's so cute. So freaking cute.